excited to be reintroducing my YouTube channel where I'll be serving all things creation, design, and exploration. From travel vlogs to social media and design tutorials that you can use in your everyday life, I'll be giving you guys an inside look into how I like to create the things that inspire me and also allow my imagination to run wild. So go ahead, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, follow, like, comment. Be sure to let me know what you want to see more on my channel. I'm really excited to be making more video content because this is something I really love to do. So until next time, stay tuned and see you later.